In this practice, you allow the breath and feelings of calm and peace to shift your mindset so that the continuous flow of abundance will manifest. Soul Euphoric Meditations, resources for self-care and experiences for well-being. Take a seated position with your back supported and feet flat on the floor. Take a few deep breaths through your nose. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale gently, slowly through your nose. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest or stomach. As you begin to focus within, notice your breath. Breathe deeply. Really allow yourself to draw your attention inward to how it feels to breathe. Feel your breath fully. Extend your breath, especially on the exhale, longer with each breath. Notice your body unwinding and releasing any tension it's been holding on to. Let go completely, knowing you are safe. Imagine your breath flowing through your body, bringing peace and tranquility to every cell. As you begin to allow yourself to relax, to let go, imagine a warm and calm light around you. You can feel this light, and it brings peace, love, and wellness. Allow yourself to soak and absorb in this light. Feel the warmth. Feel the comfort. Feel the peace. Breathe in this light. Allow it to fill your body with the intensity of calm, warmth, peace, and love. You can begin to feel the experience of abundance calmly surrounding you. Experience the feeling of warmth, peace, and love that you desire. And now imagine yourself continuously surrounded by abundance. abundance of these feelings. Abundance that fills you with the wealth that you desire. As you breathe deeply and exhale softly, you begin to sense the energy of abundance in your body. You allow the sensation to manifest, all the sensations in your body. You begin to notice the images of abundance rising within your body and your mind's eye. Allow yourself to deeply sense and embrace the experience. Actually embrace in your mind's eye the energy of abundance in your mind and in your body. As the energy is manifesting within you, continue to focus on the energy of abundance within you. Allow yourself to let go of any of the fears or doubts that may have been holding you back. Allow the experience of flowing energy to support, soothe, and refresh every cell of your body. Feel your energy attracting the flow of wealth and abundance that surrounds you. Feel the experience of the energy that flows of wealth and abundance into your life. Experience the spreading of these feelings throughout your entire body. You can begin to appreciate all of these wonderful feelings. Now, as you bring yourself back, reconnect with your breath. Feel the inhalation of air through your nose. Exhale deeply the rise and fall of your chest or stomach. As you notice the rise and fall of that breath, you can remember the feelings of wealth and abundance you experienced during this meditation. You can allow yourself to take a few more deep breaths of calm. Notice the peace and the feelings of wellness. Knowing as you allow the breath and the feeling of calm and peace, the continuous flow of abundance will manifest